gotta brush my teeth to keep my diamonds clean. I don't fuck nobody, bitch, but that won't fuck with me. I can call the cartel, I call that Cuban link.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Shit, dang, see I already done cussed. Hold on, let me roll the windows up a little bit so y'all can hear me. Yeah, I already know the routine. The car is in sport. Dang, it sounds so crazy. But yeah, car is in sport. Shoot, I don't even know. Man, it's been a little bit since I made a video. But to elaborate, I got an excuse, alright? So basically, I've been having problems with the SS. Damn, finna get caught at this light. But yeah, I've been having problems with the SS. It's just been annoying stuff. But yeah, and I also got shit going on. Dang, see, I already done cussed again. But yeah, it's just life. Life just been happening for the past couple weeks. But yeah, I'm finna get it back together. As y'all see, the quality definitely looks better, you know. I don't got my phone on my head right now. So yeah, I'm actually using a GoPro. My homie came in clutch, let me use his John, so yeah. But yeah, I'm recording on the GoPro. The quality looks crazy, bro. Like, my head mount works perfectly with this John, so yeah. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. It's been so long since I started recording. But yeah, like I said, I haven't been neglecting. I know I made that promise or whatnot. I was talking about some. I'm gonna upload as much as possible. That's still like in play. I'm not going back on that. Like, let me adjust this real quick. Why would this dude jump right in front of me? But yeah, I initially had ordered a camera so I wouldn't have to use my phone. What is wrong with these people, bro? But yeah, I initially ordered a camera so I didn't have to use my phone. But the camera turned out to be, but it was terrible. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, camera was butt, so I kind of got discouraged from that, and I didn't want to really make no low quality videos. Like, the videos on my phone, it was all right, but I'm trying to do this YouTube, John. Like, what is wrong with these fucking idiots? Like, no reason for that. But yeah, I'm really trying to get into the YouTube, John, bro. Like, the first couple videos I made, they was already kind of going a little bit crazy. You know, I ain't even got no subs. This is a new channel, everything. But yeah. So yeah. Dang, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. I don't know why, but shoot, finna fly through these streets real quick. I don't know if I'm actually be able to fly. It's kind of cold in here. Turn the seat warmer on. Bro, what is going on? I might probably cut this part out. But yeah, I'm finna go through these streets. Finna hit the highway. Y'all already know the routine after that. Like, dang, it is so cold in here. Holy. Oh yeah, that too. Got a radar, yes sir. I hardwired it to my my digital rear view, so it literally turns on with the car. It's tweaking out right now though, but we gonna turn that down. I'll turn it back up for you on the highway. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm getting close to the highway, because I'm getting kind of stuck at lights. I know this is not entertaining to watch, so yeah.
I can't even cap it, baby.
Hold on, let me pause this music. You know, I ain't trying to get yeah, but highway is right here, guys. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but yeah, highway is right here, so you already know what's gonna happen. I don't even have to say it, but yeah, we finna get damn, another red light. Oh, I think that was a state trooper that just got on the highway. Hey, it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. But yep, we're getting on the highway. What is that? One way to figure out. much traffic. If this is a state trooper, I literally pass right past them. Yeah, this is not no state troop. So, you know, performance mode. Yep. I'm with the hood rat, John. I'm taking this cut, by the way. See, you already know, bro. It's too easy. It's too light. I'm too fast, like way too fast. This car, like, oh my god, I love the way this car made me feel, bro. It's just like my heart. Oh my god, it's literally racing, bro. And I already know that this footage is way better because I'm using an actual camera, a GoPro, instead of having my phone. I ain't gonna lie, having my phone on my head, bro, it literally felt like heavy as hell. It was so heavy. Back to performance. Another pool. Hey, I want y'all to remember, this is still stock. Dang, I don't know if I should spoil it. Look, man, keep in mind, this video, this car is still stock, alright? I don't know if it's gonna be next video or the video after that, but shit, I'm excited already. But yeah, y'all might be even more excited, but yeah. Next week gonna be crazy. I know I'm kind of yapping right now, but like, I don't know. Driving this car just like it made me so happy, bro. Like I gotta express it. Like, shoot, I know y'all be like, man, just shut up and just drive. Like, bro, I can't just shut up and drive, bro. Also, I got alignment too, bro. Like, my boy done hook me up. You see, we driving straight, bro. My hands is not on the steering wheel. I mean, they is not, but like, alignment even straight. Dang, I can't even say that because that might spoil it too. Just know it's so much for this car coming, and I apologize if it's dark as hell in here. Like it's a nighttime POV. I really don't know what you expect again, but like, shoot. Oh, we about to merge. We about to merge. Y'all know what that means. Let me check. Oh yeah, see. Gotta check this. Dang, I'm about to blow my transmission up. Dang, it's back in normal mode. See, I couldn't even do nothing. I got scared. I couldn't see. My fault. I'm sorry. I know I should have took it. Dang. These regular civilians, bro, they drive so freaking sporadic. Like, I don't know what they gonna do. Like they literally drive so sporadic. I don't know what nobody gonna do, bro. Is bro flash me? Like, what is going on? You see, like, they drive all next to each other, like in a why? Like, why do they do that? They all ride the same speed. I don't get this. Free bro. I hate this, bro. Oh, and it's raining a little bit too. We got a little bit more. Dang, I wanted to take that cut, but it's wet. It's wet. Man, fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh my god, there was so many state troopers over there. Oh my god, and it's raining bad. We gotta get out of sport. No. Y'all see this? Y'all see I put it in snow and ice, but my boy done put me on to that. I done met another dude with an SS. He got a manual one though, but he done put me on to that that snow ice mode in the rain. Oh my god. But yeah, this is also another reason, like, this literally just proved it. I'm stuttering so bad, but yeah, the rain, bro. It's been raining literally every day for the past like 2 weeks, and y'all know what I'm driving like, and this ain't even no 1LE. So I got the regular skinny tires on here, whatnot. Like, it's dangerous, bro. Do not mind my speed, bro. Like, This is all a video game. I'm allegedly doing this speed, okay? Like, it's not even real. It's not real for real. And then it's that too. A bunch of y'all, like, I keep seeing in the comments, bro, people like, yo, you need to blur your speed. You need to start doing this. They gonna get you or whatever, bro. I am not worried about that. If I was, then I would have been did it. I'm not worried about that. And then it's also be seeing comments whatnot about like the cameras, bro, like the Insta360. I will definitely get that soon. I'm 100% gonna get that soon. Like, I'm gonna put it on the back, and I'm gonna get my own GoPro because I'm using my homeboy GoPro right now. But I'm gonna get the two things, and when I make videos, y'all gonna have both POVs, so I can just see like everything outside the car, and then on the inside too. Like, oh, it's cops up there. I don't really feel like slowing down, so yeah, I'm gonna just keep going my same speed. I ain't bothering nobody. He done pulled bro over. Yeah, see, he not even worried about me. Dang. Yeah, I need to figure out a title for this video. Once again, like I said, bro, I apologize to y'all, man. It's been a little bit since I made a video, but I just gave the reasons. It's not excuses either. It's literally valid reasons. You know, life just been lifing, bro. Like, I can't even do nothing about that. And then the car been breaking. Well, it ain't even breaking, but it's like, it's just stuff that's messed up and going like messing up on it that I really don't like, you know. I want my John to be perfect, but I'm getting all that fixed and worked out. So yeah, I'm just trying to make sure the car is ready for what I'm finna do to it, you know, like, cause man, the car gonna come a long way, bro. I guarantee the car is gonna come a long way. Just y'all gotta wait, bro. But yeah, dang. You see, I used to be scared when it rained for like traction and John, but I'm telling you, if you got a Camaro, bro, like even a V6, I'm pretty sure the V6 has got modes too. If you have a V6 or a V8, like just a 6th gen in general, bro, and if it rains or just slippery in general, use a snow ice mode, bro. Like, I'm so stupid, I never thought about using it. When my homeboy put me onto that John like the other day, it literally works perfect, bro. I swear to God. Like, obviously you don't go stupid with it on, but hey, it's like driving regular, just like you're just a regular Samaritan. Oh my goodness, what is going on? And it's my exit. Dang. Well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, I think it might be the video. Shit. Well, if y'all made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. See, I even forgot to do my intro. I mean, it's too late now, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. Like, I hope the quality on the GoPro is good. Man, this traffic crazy, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all did like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. You know, the basic shit. Y'all, I said, bro, I was about to curse, but it didn't even come out right. But yeah, just y'all already know the routine, the regular stuff. Just yeah, I'm gonna see y'all next video. I'm yapping right now.
I got tall money.